Welcome. In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to add clarity to your document with the Readability application. Readability is a powerful secret not only to great proposals, but also to documents. Let's get started. From the Welcome page, click Start. In the Task menu, click Readability, then click Next. Select a project from the Projects menu. Click the document you want to analyze. Click Analyze. The Analysis Result window opens. You will see a letter grade, overall readability score, the number of long sentences, complex words, the use of passive voice, adverbs, and dictionary terms. The different readability criteria have their own color. If this tutorial was helpful, click here or subscribe to see more videos to learn how to use the Content Analytics platform in a quick and easy way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.